Okay, so it is hot and we are going to perspire. And you know what that means? That means we're going to be losing some minerals in from our body through our perspiration. And you can drink all the water you want and you're not going to replace those minerals. So I learned in Ayurvedic class that we can make a delicious mineral hydrating water. I got some water that I infused with the moon energy, and we're going to pour some of that in my measuring cup, and then some good old pink salt that I got from this company based in Utah. It's called Real Salt Company. That might have been too much. I think you only need a little bit, like a pinch. And then actually, ideally, what you can do is get lemon or lime, fresh kind, but I didn't have any. So, oh, and then you would put, like, if you get the fresh one, you would put like a quarter of the lime juice. So that looks like it's a quarter. And then get some honey. It has to be honey. I got this really cool honey. It's called white honey from Capella Supermarket. It's pretty interesting. It's white. Well, you can't really see it, but it's a different color. So a teaspoon of that, and mix it well. And make sure you use like room temperature water. Don't use hot water when mixing honey, because you know what happens. You destroy all the live enzymes. I'm going to use this and see if I can mix it up. Ooh, yum. This is actually for matcha, so that doesn't really work very well. Okay, it melted off. Melted off my spoon. I don't know if that's the right word. If you have leftover, then just stick it in your mouth. And then pour all that goodness into your thermos. Take it with you. Carry it on you and drink as needed. Sip on it. Don't be like gulping it down. So honey, lemon or lime juice. I think lime juice is actually pretty good for the Vata constitution. It's not as sour. And then we're good to go. I'm going to take this with me outside. Okay, this is called hydrating water. Honey, like a half a teaspoon, 1/4 of lemon or lime juice, and some really good salt. Salt Lake City, Utah. They make the best salt. Check it out. It's called Real Salt. And some water. And you can use water that you boiled once and make it cool down, because it changes the molecules in the water versus just getting, water straight from the tap. Thanks for watching.